Hello. Today I'm going to be doing resistance band training, but what we're going to be doing is we're going to be doing it lying down. So this is inside a dance room. However, it's what we're doing. We're imitating a situation where if you're in the bed, you can loosen the bed anytime you want, or on a sofa, or if you're in a hotel, or even a hospital and you're not really mobile, this is a great way for you to do exercise as well, and to have some core resistance training as well using resistance bands. Hopefully this will help you out. Give it a try. This is going to be a full set of 5 videos doing stretches. We're going to be doing upper body, lower body, core, and back. Okay? So we're going to do a range of series of videos where we'll introduce this as well. So each video won't be too long like the previous ones. It'll be short snippets of each different section, but this will be lying down, okay? How about you join us? Thanks for staying tuned. We'll start off with doing some stretches first before we start using the bands, but that'll be next stage. How about you join me? What I've done is I've placed a towel underneath here. So assume this is your bed. You're going to have a bit of a sweat. So you want to put a towel underneath on your bed as well to prevent your sheets or your pillow getting wet as well. Obviously, your pillow, you can change the pillow color, so that's not an issue, okay? So always be prepared for working out and for sweating, okay? Because you're going to have a sweat when you finish this. Okay, let's get started. You can either keep the pillow here when you're on your bed, or you can take it away. I can mind keeping here. Okay, we'll start hands and knees and doing a bend up bridge. And then do plank for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then lie down. You can go slowly, there's no rush. If you're doing in your bed, nothing has to be timed, so go at your own pace. Okay, then jump on your back. Control your breathing. All the moves we're going to be doing today, we'll do it lying down. We won't do the sitting ones. This is assuming that you can only lie down. Okay. You can always stretch more, but there's all stretching exercises out there. You can review. However, what I'll be doing is showing you how to work out using the bands. Okay. Okay. Tune in. Please smash the like button, smash the subscription button, also put on the bell, and stay tuned for more videos. Okay.